Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna teach you how to make this dumbbell, and it involves certain features such as revolve, helix, cat sweep, circular pattern, and I'm gonna teach you how to make this knurling. So let's open a new part. Let's start with sketch, go to front plane, and place two midpoint lines, and let's make both of them for construction and infinite. Alright. So let's start placing this line right here, then a diagonal line, another diagonal, and a horizontal. And let's put it's gonna be 17.50. This one right here, 17.50. And an angle of 184. Angle of 184. Then this one is 145. And from here to here it's gonna be 20. This one is 4. And this one's 3.5. And this is 45. 45. And let's use mirror entities, this tool, and the entities we want to mirror is all of this, Okay, mirror about the vertical construction line. Now let's go to features, revolve bus base. Our axis of revolution is gonna be this one, and it's gonna display a preview of what we're gonna have. Alright, now let's place a new sketch right here. Right click, sketch, Control A, and I'm gonna teach you how to do a hexagon. So let's place two center lines. Let's make this horizontal, these vertical, and both of them have to be infinite, preferably, to work more comfortable. So let's place a circle. Make this coincident. let's place a circle that starts from the center, and the circle's gonna be this height, 120. So it's gonna be 120, and it's also gonna be construction, for construction. So let's place a line here, and this line's gonna be coincident with the horizontal line. Let's make these both of these entities tangent. Let's make this one also tangent to the circle. And let's place a angle between these two lines of 120. That's what the hexagon lines, all of them have 120 degrees. So right now our sketch is fully defined. So what we're gonna do is go to mirror entities, select both of the entities, mirror about the horizontal line, and now a second mirror, and all of these four lines are gonna be mirrored about the vertical line. So now we're ready to have our hexagon extruded. So let's go to extrude boss base, and it's gonna be of 75. So let's put here 75. Then let's go to fillet. It's gonna be chamfer, and it's gonna be 45 and 15. So 45 degrees here, and dimension of 15. Let's select all of the edges. Not the face, but the edges. Alright. And guess what we're gonna use? We're gonna use the mirror, but not the sketch mirror. Now it's the mirror from features. So let's go to linear pattern from the selectors, mirror, mirror face, or planar face. We have to select our wrap plane, and the feature we're gonna mirror is boss base and chamfer. Alright, now I'm gonna teach you how to do the knurling. Let's go to curves, helix, and select the right plane. Also our sketch. Control A. Start from the origin. New circle. And it's gonna be 40 millimeters. 40 millimeters, the same as the revolve. Okay. Now, if you press escape, it's gonna display the menu. So this is what we need to put in the options that we need to fill out. So height's gonna be 7 17, and this is actually gonna be height and pitch. So height's gonna be 17.50, which if you noticed is the same as this length. Also, it's gonna be pitch 100 millimeters and 135 degrees clockwise. So, okay. Now let's place a new sketch. Let's go to sketch, use our right plane, Control A, and we're gonna put a center rectangle with a dimension of 1 millimeter, and let's make all the lines equal, and press the key Control, then press the center of the rectangle and click the helix while pressing the Control button, and press select coincident, then again escape, again the center of the rectangle, then the helix, and press select pierce. And now our sketch is going to be fully defined. Control 7, and let's go to features and select, actually it's going to be swept cut, but we have to exit the sketch, so let's go to features, swept cut. We have to make sure we're using the right ones. So as our profile, we're going to use the sketch number 4, and as our path, we're going to use the helix. And if you notice, we don't want this, so let's go to options and don't unselect align with end faces. So that's what we want. Press OK. It has to look like this. Now go to mirror. Mirror face is gonna be right plane. Features to mirror is gonna be the cut sweep. Actually, first we need to place a new plane, and it's gonna be 17.50 half of that dimension. So reference plane, our reference is gonna be the right plane. It's gonna be 17.50 half of it, enter. It's gonna be 8.75, and that's our mirror plane. So let's go to mirror. But actually first we need a circular pattern, and the direction, you just select any circular entity. It's gonna be 20 instances, and the feature we're gonna use is the cut sweep. Press OK, and now let's use mirror. Now we can use mirror. Our mirror is gonna be this plane, the one that we made, and the feature of the mirror is gonna be the circular pattern. And now we have our first knurling right here. See? Guess what? we're just gonna use mirror and we're done. So let's use mirror, and our mirror face is gonna be the right plane, and the features to mirror is gonna be this mirror, or actually the last the circular pattern in the mirror. And we're done. You can just hide this and hide the cut sweep. I mean the helix spiral. Now the last thing is just add color, so I'm gonna add to the bus extrude and the mirror of the bus extrude. This color. I don't want it to be full black, just this black looks okay, so we're done.